Use the seamless workflow over distance with the Convivo in Vivo Pathology Suite from ZEISS to digitally manage consultations and cases. Get access by entering the URL convivo-pathologyworkplace.zeiss.com into your browser. Log in with your email address and password. As there are high security standards, you will receive an SMS with a code for a two-factor authentication. As soon as you enter the code, you will be redirected to the user dashboard. If you have any active consultations, you can see your notifications directly within the welcome area of your dashboard. These consultation elements contain information, such as the time when the consultation starts, but also the name of the surgeon and the hospital. Below the consultation notifications in the case history, you will find the newest reports created for a case sorted by date. It can also be downloaded here. If you want to get all relevant information regarding one of these cases, you can click on the corresponding line. You will now see the full case history. You can manage all your images and cases here. Also, you can download the full report. Depending on the configuration of the surgical workplace, pseudonymized patient data can be used. In that case, the patient name is replaced by the patient ID. In the User menu, you will find User Settings, information about the product, and a customer service contact form. By default, you will receive consultation requests sent from the surgical workplace by SMS and email. This can be changed in the settings. Click on the button on the top right of the screen. Go to User Profile page, General Settings. You can now change your notification channel. In case of questions or application issues, select the Contact Customer Service form. The ZEISS CONVIVO support team will help you with any issues. Further information can be found in the Instruction for Use manuals and in several how-to videos. As a surgeon, you will have access to all your cases and the reports that were created by the pathologist. To ensure data security, always remember to log out of the system when you finish the session.